Hi everyone, welcome to dwcarving.com. So if you haven't noticed, we are involved in an international competition. The competition's called DIY Hero. Now it's run out of the US, but it's an international competition. So what we're asking for is free votes. So the system works on voting. So if we get enough people to vote, we simply win the competition. We are currently in stage or phase 3 of this competition. There's a couple more phases after this. This one, the top 5 in each group will be able to move on to the next stage. I'm currently sitting at 6, so we need a few more votes to get us over the bump over the next few days. So all we ask you to do is consider going to the link we provided below, which is our DIY Hero page, and click on Vote. Now, you'll be taken to a page where you vote for free. You'll have an option of voting for free or voting and paying for the American, I think it's American Lung Association. We're not asking for that. That's up to you. We're not asking for that. We're asking to go to the free daily vote and get all the veterans on there and click on that and help us out. It would be a huge boost for this veteran-run business. Huge boost. It's a 2-page spread in a magazine. It's $25,000 US for a project. It's a big, big boost for us and really would make us very successful over the next couple of years. So we're asking for your support. Free support, that's it. Free, click on the free vote once a day for the next few weeks, next few days anyways, and vote for us. Help us out, help a vet out. Thanks, much appreciated. And for those sappers out there, Chimo.